let's read this question. How much money would Jennifer have initially borrowed if she accumulated $713 in simple interest after 30 months at 6.2% per annum? So I notice the word simple interest, which means I'm going to be using the variables I, P, R, and T. All right, so let's reread the question, finding the important pieces of information. So, how much money would Jennifer have initially borrowed? Initially borrowed is another way of saying the original amount, which is principal. So that's actually our question. That's the bit we don't know. If she accumulated $713 in simple interest, well, that must sit here under I. 30 months. Okay, so I have to do a little bit of a think here. 30 over 12. Okay, let's change over. So 30 over 12. Now I might want to leave it as a fraction, or I might want to be able to do it in my head. It doesn't really matter. I know that 24 is 2 years. It equals 0.5. Ran out of space there. So 30 months is the same as saying 2.5 years. And the last bit of information in there is at 6.2% per annum. So we'll convert that to a decimal straight away, 0.062. All right, so let's have a crack. Let's write out the formula we're using. I equals P R T. Let's substitute in what we've got. I equals 713. Keep that equal sign underneath itself. P we don't know, so let's just write P times 0.062 times time, which is 2.5. Now I need a calculator for this. 713 just stays there. 0.062 times 2.5 is 0.155. I'm actually going to write it on this side because it's good practice to put numbers before letters. Okay, now at the moment there's only one thing we don't know. We don't know P. So we're going to find P, it's being multiplied by 0.155. I'm going to divide this by 0.155. Anything I do to that side, I need to do to this side. And I'll use my calculator to figure that out. And I would get that 713 divided by 0.155 is 4,600, which equals P. Therefore, Jennifer, I'll just write Jen, borrowed $4,600. And I've answered my question.